Hey everyone, it is raining where I am at the moment. I am in Amsterdam and it is a Monday. So I'm going to Noordermarkt, which has a really good textile section. It's a huge market that's here only on Mondays in this area, in the Jordan area. And I've never been to it, so I've come today. We're going to do some fabric shopping. So we're going to go and have a look at all the different stalls. And this is just going to be a really short little vlog. Just to show you this part, because I haven't shown you this part of Amsterdam for fabric shopping. So let's go. Okay, so if you're wondering how to get here, that building right there is the Noorder Church. I'm saying this because I'm gonna butcher the names. I'm so sorry to all the Dutch people out there. But this is basically the Noorder Church. It's on a big square. Normally it's empty, but this is where the market starts. As you can see, there is a fabric dude right there. And then it goes all the way down Westerstraat. Now, again, probably butchering the words, but there's this cute little cafe place here and it goes all the way down to the length of that road. So that's what we're gonna do. It's raining, but rain has never stopped them. As you can see, everybody's covered up. So we're gonna go and get our fabric shopping on. And look, there's one right there. Fabric, let's go. In the hotel now, and I'm going to show you everything that I got, because I know that if I don't do it now it won't happen. Sorry. Okay, so I got 5 fabrics, and yeah, I'm really quite happy with the purchases. I didn't actually go there with anything in mind, but I did see some really nice stuff, and the ideas were coming as I was looking, so I picked them up. What can I say about the market? I would say if you are going to go, try and get there early. I think it opens at 9 o'clock and everything was starting to close up around 12. I don't know if they're there in the afternoon, but I will check, so I'm going to be passing through there later on. And bring cash. The other reason why I had to stop is because I also ran out of the cash that I had to hand. So yeah, okay, let's see the fabric. Okay, first fabric is this Italian wool, which honestly, it's really nice. It's very soft. It's quite thick and it's knitted. Really pretty. And there was only 1.5 meters left. Now, the store that I went to for this, she had lots of other woolen fabrics. They were all going for 10 euros a meter. This one was all that was left, and it was previously going for 25 euros a meter. So 1.5, so it was 15 euros, and that is enough to make a jumper that I am currently designing for myself at home. So that's what this is going to be. I'm excited, but it's going to need a wash because it's been outside. Okay, so my next two fabrics I got from the Ankara stall. They are selling full Ankara prints for €5. So normally when you buy a wax print, it usually comes like this and it's packaged up and it's about 6 yards in a pack. And they vary in price. These ones are like 100% cotton and these are €5 for the 6 yards. So you get a lot for €5. That's like almost 5.5 meters. This one, this pattern really, really caught my eye. I like the blues and the whites. I like the little semicircle things. I like this big thing. Not 100% sure what I'm gonna do from it. It could be a really nice pair of trousers, really nice jacket, a beautiful dress. There's a lot, shirts, whatever. And as you wash them, they get softer. So quite happy with this. The second Ankara fabric, I wasn't gonna get it because I just saw this and I'm a big fan of green. Green is one of my favorite colors, as we can see. So I saw this and it was like cream and green, a very interesting pattern, but then I saw that and I thought, oh, okay. So if you have a look, it's two-toned, same pattern, but two-toned. So I thought, oh, actually I could play with this. Can you imagine like a shirt dress where it starts up like this and it goes down to the bottom? Can you imagine a pair of trousers? You can have the border print so that it goes from dark to light. A dress. This one's got a little bit more of the waxy print to it. It's got more of a shine. So I think I'm going to have to wash this a couple of times before it's in a usable state for me, for what I want. But I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so the final two fabrics I got from the first store that I went to. And yeah, that one had the best fabrics in my opinion. And I did want to get more than one. And this person's going to be somewhere else in Amsterdam tomorrow, so I might go back. Anyway, I got this tulle fabric, which has little beads on it. She had it in this color. She had it in a creamy white and also a blush pink. But I fancy myself a vampy little type blouse for, you know, the winter seasons, but something a little bit like more, you know what I mean. So this was going at €6 a meter, and I got about 1.5 meters, just so I had enough and not too little. So quite happy with this. Okay, so the last fabric is this lace that has been embellished with leather. It's really nice. The lace is just like some standard lace, but it's the leather that's been stitched on in stripes that really, really sells it. So this is it horizontal, and then this is it vertical. And can you imagine that as like a skirt, or even you could gather it so that this looks like pleats. I think that would be so nice. And it's a little bit see-through as well. So you've got that kind of slightly sexy, but quite nice with like a long boot in the winter. Yeah, so I got 2 meters of this and this was going for €15. So this was by far the most expensive thing that I got, but I really had good visions. So the last lady's stall with these two fabrics, she had so many beautiful embellished other things that I'm going to have to go back and have a closer look. Her name is Mariska van den Brisk, and I added her on Instagram because she puts where all of her stalls are. So I'll add her to this so that you can have a look at her fabrics, because I think she has stalls all over the place and she like follows the markets around. So if you are in the Netherlands area, then maybe you could stop by, because like she had beautiful fabrics. Yeah, and I'm absolutely going to be looking to see if I've got. There was a white one that had like, you know, when they make the little roses out of like the lace, and it was all fluffy. It was so nice. But yeah, I went for this, but there could be more. But yeah, that's my fabric haul.